Here's the quirky rule of turmeric. Turmeric is fat-soluble and pepper-activated. That means add a tiny bit of fat, add a tiny bit of black pepper, and suddenly turmeric says, "Now we're talking." Here's your simple recipe. 1 cup hot water, ½ teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a squeeze of lemon. Optional, a drop of coconut oil or any fat you're comfortable with. If you don't want oil, totally fine. Here are flexible options: almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, or skip fat altogether if that feels better for you. Viewer flexibility always. These aren't rules, just helpful suggestions to make turmeric feel welcome in your system. You're the boss of your cup. And here's the big reason people love this tea. Many say it gives them a calmer, less puffy feeling over time. Some people describe feeling a little looser in the morning or noticing that their hands or shoulders feel less tight. Again, not a promise. Just what people say.
I started turmeric tea in the evenings, and I noticed my hands felt less stiff in the morning. Didn't expect that.
Just personal experiences, but very common ones. And sometimes that's all people need to decide if they want to try something simple like this. You can also customize the tea by adding ginger, cinnamon, or even a little honey. Ginger adds warmth, cinnamon adds sweetness, honey adds comfort. Build your own flavor profile. The more you enjoy the taste, the more likely you'll keep doing it. Now, this tea is great, but method number 2 might be the easiest one to stick with long-term, and it's hiding in your kitchen right now. The most practical way, the second easy way to use turmeric for inflammation is honestly the one most people stick with. Add ½ teaspoon to 1 or 2 meals each day. That's it. No chanting to turmeric gods, no complicated rituals, just sprinkle and go. The trick? Use it in foods that naturally contain fat and spices, because that boosts absorption without any effort from you. Turmeric loves fat, turmeric loves pepper, give it what it loves and it works harder for you. Here are flexible ideas you can adapt right away. Add it to scrambled eggs, sprinkle onto roasted vegetables, mix into soups or stews, add to curry, stir fries or rice dishes, blend into hummus, mix with yogurt, add to tuna salad, chickpea salad or lentils, sprinkle on potatoes, sweet potatoes or quinoa, add a pinch to homemade salad dressing, stir into cooked beans, add to mashed avocado or guacamole. Your kitchen, your rules. There is no wrong way to do this as long as it feels good to you. And because the flavor is strong, remember, a tiny amount every day works better than a giant scoop once a week. Consistency matters more than quantity here. Think sprinkle, not shovel.
Testimonial. I started adding turmeric to my meals instead of taking supplements. It's easier, and I honestly feel less tense in my knees after long walks.
A lot of people love this method because it feels effortless. You barely notice it's there, but your body appreciates the routine. Now, let's talk about the cozy method. The one people say changes their evenings forever. Golden milk, the nighttime favorite. Warm milk in a saucepan, turmeric swirling into golden color. Golden milk is the method almost everyone falls in love with. It's creamy, warm, comforting, almost like a hug wearing a yellow sweater. It's the kind of drink you look forward to, especially when the day has been hectic and you just want to slow down. Here's the crowd favorite recipe. 1 cup milk, any kind you like, ½ teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Optional, tiny pinch of black pepper, a little honey if you prefer sweetness, a slice of fresh ginger or a pinch of ginger powder. Heat it gently, stir well, sip slowly. Take your time with it. Golden milk is not a chug it and leave drink. It's a sit down and unwind drink. People love this at night because it feels grounding and relaxing. Some say it helps them settle down mentally. Others say it just feels soothing in their body.
Testimonial. Golden milk became my nighttime treat. I feel calmer and sleep easier, and my body feels less tight after long work days.
And here's the funny part. Of all 3 methods, golden milk gets the most emotional responses. People say it feels nurturing, like a warm blanket for the inside. Some even say it feels like the drink tucks you into bed. You can also add nutmeg, cardamom, or vanilla if you want a deeper flavor. Some even add a little pinch of black pepper for that activation boost. But when is the best time to use turmeric for inflammation? Morning, night, with food. Let's break that down. Best timing for turmeric. There's no single perfect time. It depends on what feels comfortable for you. Morning on an empty stomach, great for turmeric tea with lemon. People say it feels fresh and energizing, like a morning cleanse that wakes the system gently. With meals, this is the best time for absorption. Turmeric loves hanging out with fats and spices. If your meal has oil, avocados, nuts, seeds, yogurt, coconut milk, or anything creamy, turmeric will be happy. Evening, night, perfect for golden milk or warm turmeric tea. Many say this helps them unwind from the day and settle into a calmer evening rhythm. If you want a simple routine, here's an example. Tea in the morning, turmeric mixed into meals during the day, golden milk at night. But again, pick what fits your life. No one needs a turmeric schedule stress. You can use one method, two methods, or rotate all three. The key is simply keeping it consistent. Quick pause. If you like simple science-inspired wellness tips you can actually use, hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week, and you definitely don't want to miss the next one. Common turmeric mistakes, short and sweet. Mistake number 1, not using pepper. Pepper is turmeric's best friend. Even the tiniest pinch helps absorption. Without pepper, turmeric works. But with pepper, turmeric works. Mistake number 2, taking it without any fat. Turmeric mixes best with foods like yogurt, milk, coconut oil, nuts, seeds, and curries. A little fat goes a long way. Mistake number 3, overdoing the dose. Don't do the mountain of turmeric trick. Small daily amounts work far better. More is not more. More is just dusty and unnecessary. We're almost done. Quick recap coming up. Quick recap. Method 1, turmeric tea with pepper plus optional fat. Method 2, add turmeric to meals. Method 3, golden milk at night. Timing, morning with meals or nighttime. You choose. Daily routine beats big doses. Before you go, how do you use turmeric? Tea, cooking, golden milk, capsules, or your own special routine? Share it in the comments. Your idea might help someone else. And just a quick reminder before we wrap up, this video shares general wellness information, not medical advice. Everyone's body is different, so if you have questions about your personal health, always talk to a qualified professional. If this video helped you understand turmeric better, hit that subscribe button. We post simple, science-inspired wellness videos.